starting the second section. This section are just pants and it's not as big as the first section we finished. So I'm gonna remove basically everything from this section as well. Then we'll go to the third section on the far end. There's a fourth section on this side and a fifth section. So there's still much to be done. So let's get started on this section. And so basically these pants. The point is to remove everything from the closet, then we look at them. If there's need to return anything, we will. If there's no need, we are not returning anything. So as it is now, she will remain with a handful of clothes that she will wear for a couple of weeks before we get shopping and getting her a capsule wardrobe. Everything in here needs to go and has to go, and I'm getting rid of them. This is what we call total closet decluttering, a total makeover is what we are doing here. Interestingly, I was here maybe a year ago or two, I can't remember, for the first time to declutter a closet, and some of the pieces I left her, she's not even worn up to this date, and she continued to buy, you know, a few pieces here and there, but it's about time that we actually get rid of these clothes once and for all, because she's not worn them in a year plus. She's not going to wear them moving forward. So what's the point of keeping them? Anyway, let me hurry up because I don't have much time. The idea was to declutter this closet fully and also have a look at her kids' closet, because she wants to start the year light. Section 2 is done and clean. Well, I am climbing up there to wipe it, but yeah, everything is out. Those are the hangers and these are the pants. So these are the pants, and these are the tops, and shirts, blouses basically. So these are not as many as this pile, but there are also quite many. So we are yet to decide what we'll do with them. Let's go to this part. No, this is the next part, the dresses, and we'll do the same thing. Then we'll come here, the coats, jacket, sweaters. Then we'll finish with this pile here. I sure hope you've loved this closet decluttering series. I'd definitely like to hear your feedback, your thoughts, your opinion on the series. Is this something you'd like to see? What is it that you loved about it? I'd really like to hear your opinion and thoughts. If you are not subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, share, and just show the video some love. I'd love to just have you guys interact with my content. These are the pieces we've gotten out of the closet. They are still in great condition, and we are hoping to resell most of them in the coming weeks. So if you're interested in anything, look out for more information on my social media platform, and I'll catch you on my next video.